Here is the train at Wildlife Safari that you can ride on. Now you do have to pay for this unless you're a season pass holder. If you're a season pass holder, this is free. But it's not going right now, or we'd get on it. It just takes you around in a little circle here in the park. But it's a cool little train. The kids love it. Takes you some back areas that you don't see when you're in the park. Very cool little train. So here we are on the train. It's the lion habitat down there. If you drive through, you'll get to drive through and see that. This is the area down below here where you drive through, and all the animals down there are roaming on their own. They're not in cages down there, except for the lions and the bears. Then we have some birds here.